Form submissions in the Data Entries area may be exported in a number of ways. The first is at the form level. Looking at data entries in the feed view, there is an option to export data. Choose a system-generated or custom template. Export as PDF, if that is the desired file type. Leaving the box unchecked will export the data into Word or Excel based on the template you choose. Click Export and download the document from the Notifications window. Data entries may also be exported from the table view by clicking the shortcut. To export the row's data or media files, choose one or many data entries. Click Manage Data to choose from a variety of export options. CSV will export the raw data using Excel, one submission per row. CSV plus Media will export a CSV file and all associated media into a separate zipped file. Bulk PDF will export a zip file containing a PDF for each selected entry using the chosen template. Data may also be anonymized with each export option.